Hi everyone, continue with data transmission. In this part is the bit. Okay, did you know that computers and networks only work with binary digits, zeros and ones? It can be difficult to imagine that a lot of data is stored and transmitted as a series of bits. Each bit can only have one of two possible values, zeros or one. The term bit is an abbreviation of binary digits and represents the smallest pieces of data. Humans interpret words and pictures. Computers interpret only patterns of bits. A bit is stored and transmitted as a one of two possible discrete states. This can include two directions of magnetization, two distinct voltage of current levels, to distinct levels of light intensity, or any other physical system of two discrete states. For example, a light switch can be either on or off. In binary representation, these states will correspond to 1 and 0 respectively. Every input device, mouse, keyboard, voice-activated receiver, will translate human interaction into binary code for the CPU to process and store. Every output device, printer, speakers, monitors, etc., will take binary data and translate it back into human recognizable form within the computer itself. All data is processed and stored as binary. Computers use binary codes to represent and interpret letters, numbers, and special characters with bits. A commonly used code is the American Standard Code for Information Interchange (ASCII). With ASCII, each character is represented by 8 bits. For example, capital letter A equal 01000001. The number 9 is equal 00111001, and a special character hash is equal 0010011. Each group of 8 bits, such as the representation of letters and numbers, is known as a bit. And codes can be used to represent almost any type of information digital, including computer data, graphics, photos, voice, videos, and music. In the figure, enter up to 5 characters in the characters field, then click the Show Me button to see the ASCII bit translation. Click Reset to enter a different group of characters. In this example, enter the word house, and this is the bit translation. I try with other word, for example, hi and show me. This is the ASCII bit translation. This is an example. One more is bye, and this is the ASCII bit translation. Uh, we have the common methods of data transmission. After the data is transformed into series of bits, it must be converted into signals that can be sent across the network media to its destination. Media refers to the physical medium on which the signals are transmitted. Examples of media are copper wire, fiber optic cable, and electromagnetic waves through the air. A signal consists of electrical or optical patterns that are transmitted from one connected device to another. This pattern represents the digital bits, i.e., the data, and travel across the media from source to destination as either a series of pulses of electricity, pulses of light, or radio waves. Signals may be converted many times before ultimately reaching the destination, as corresponding media chains between source and destination. There are three common methods of signal transmission used in networks. The first is electrical signals. Transmission is achieved by representing data as electrical pulses of copper wire. The second is optical signals. Transmission is achieved by converting the electrical signals into light pulses. And the third is wireless signals. Transmission is achieved by using infrared, microwave, or radio waves through the air. Click play in the figure to see an animation of the three types of signal transmission. In most homes and small business, network signal are transmitted across copper wire cables of Wi-Fi enabled wireless connection. Large networks employ fiber optic cables in order to reliably carry signals for longer distance. Uh, Show the pulse of electricity, here pulse of light, and here radio waves. Finish with check your understanding data transmission. Check your understanding of data transmission by choosing the correct answer to the following questions. The question 1, a basic unit of information that represented one of two discrete states is known as a bit. And that's right, a binary bit represented one of two discrete states, 0 or 1. The question 2 is when using your credit card to make purchase at several places, the credit card company can use this information to learn about your location and your preference. This type of personal data is known as observer data. And that's not right. Okay, and is reset is voluntary data. Inferred data. I don't know. Inferred data. Yeah. Okay, infrared data such as credit score is based on analysis of voluntary or observed data. And finish with question 3. Which of the following methods of signal transmissions uses frequency or pulse of light? Is optical signals. Okay. Well, this is all for this video. Is only the data transmission. See you in the next one.